Hi and welcome to my place. Don't you just love the smell of a freshly cut orange? I love how it's good for me. I also love that the essential oil of orange can be useful for the exterior of the body. I got a lovely letter from Caroline, who lives in Oregon, Portland, is it Portland, Oregon, or Oregon, Portland in the States? And she makes this beautiful moisturizing foaming body wash using essential oil of orange. And she said, give it a go, and if you like it, share it with everybody. So that is what I'm going to do. Pretty much, basically, all you do is get your foaming pump bottle. I love these things. They are so easy to work with. The first thing I'm going to put into here is 25 drops. Thereabout, you might want to put a wee bit more into there. 25 drops of the orange essential oil. You can use wild or sweet, doesn't matter, whatever you've got on hand. And then into that I've put in 2 tablespoons of castile soap, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, and the last quarter of a cup of witch hazel. And the last thing that I'm going to put into here is a cup of some orange blossom water that goes into there, and it's just a matter of putting the lid on it and you are just about ready to go. Make sure that that's on, and then look at this. I love that, and this is so beautiful. Oh, the smell of it, and on your body, with the oil in it, and oh, it just makes you feel so good. And the other thing that I like about this is that when you use soap in the shower, you get that soapy, scummy, fatty build-up. Well, you don't get it with this, and I love that it's only got, what, 5 ingredients in it. I made it myself. It's got no harsh chemicals in it, and it's just like that's what we like in this house. So I've got these all over the house, and there's no waste. That lasts me, a whole pump bottle like that lasts us in this house about a month. So I think that that's pretty economical. And the other thing I wanted to share with you, I had no idea that orange essential oil was really good at eliminating bacteria and pathogens. How good is that? So not only is it good for you on the inside, it's also equally good for you on the outside. If you've got any recipes that you would like to share with me, please email me. That's astar'splace@gmail.com, and I will try them out, and then I will share them with the rest of all of the family here at Astar's Place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you another day.